Hi, friends. What are you doing this summer to enhance your growth in love for God and neighbor? Or maybe open yourself up even more to all that God has for you? To help you, I'm going to be offering 3 free 60-minute spiritual growth workshops. You can see the details below. Whether you can attend live or not, I invite you to sign up because I'll send you a recording after they're done. I'll also be sharing worksheets that you can then take back to your local church and use in your own teaching and your own mentoring of others. I'm really excited about this, so I'd invite you to sign up. You can see the link to the sign up page wherever you're watching this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. It would be a real privilege and honor to serve you this summer. And regardless, I trust that you'll live by faith, be known by love, and be a voice of hope to others.